What's going on, guys? It's Alfred here again. Today I have the ION Tailgater Tough rugged portable all-weather wireless speaker. Picked this up at my local Costco. Now ION, they do a lot of speakers, portable speakers, wireless speakers, wired speakers. I actually have, I'm familiar with the brand. I have bought their products in the past, and although they're not the best sounding speakers, but for the price, definitely a good buy. Definitely a big bang for the buck, especially when they're on sale. Now these speakers, I would say they've been out for about a year or so at Costco, retailing at $99.99. And then on occasion, they have them on sale for $69.99 for $30 off. And I've never actually, I've heard them, I've seen them at the stores, but never really was interested in buying them because I already have a portable speaker. But while shopping today here in July 2025, I saw that they were on clearance at my local Costco. So again, $99.99 retail, on sale for $79.99, and then on clearance, which was today, they were on sale for $49.97. So I couldn't resist and I had to buy the speaker. And I didn't just buy one, I bought two. I figured two for the price of one, I can't beat that. And with the reviews and things that I've seen online here on YouTube, it's not bad, especially for that price. It's a steal. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger and bought two speakers. And the reason why I bought two is because you can actually link these two speakers together and make a true surround sound experience. So definitely going to test that out in a future video, but just wanted to show you the ION Tailgater Tough wireless speaker. Here's the box. So here's the front. Here's the side. It's a rugged, all portable, all-weather wireless speaker, so it's weather resistant. So definitely you can have some splash and stuff like that while you're on the beach. Definitely want to recommend submerging the speaker, but in the light rain, you're by the beach, some water happens to get on it, it should be okay. Again, it's rated for water resistance, 10-hour battery life. You know, the sound is of good quality. It's a 65-watt speaker, so I mean, it's not gonna be anything mind-blowing, but for a tailgate, you know, for a barbecue in the backyard, it should be fine. Especially if we pairing up two of them, it should be okay. This does have FM radio. It has metal tie down. So on the side of the speaker, as you can see on the box, it has that red piece there. You can tie it down. It has a USB power bank, so you can charge up your phones. Here's the back of the box here. Rechargeable battery, 10 hours. It claims for 10-hour battery life. Weather resistant, heavy duty corner guards. It does have Bluetooth 5.3, and it does have the ION sound control app. You can control the basic EQ. I have an ION speaker, so you can do basic stuff on there. You can change the FM tuner station through the app. You can do it on the speaker as well, but because it has no display, it's a little bit of a not a good experience, but with the app, you should be fine. Again, here's the link for the stereo sound, which I went ahead and did. The FM speaker, the metal tie down, the power bank. It charges through USB-C. And it has an input for a microphone too, microphone or instrument. So there's the box there. Here's the top. Here's your controls. Okay, let me open this up and I'll show you what the speaker looks like. Okay, so this is the ION Tailgater Tough rugged portable all-weather wireless speaker out of the box. What's included is the Tailgater Tough quick start guide. Pretty much shows you some warranty information, how to use the speaker, how to set up, how to use FM radio, how to set presets, the auxiliary in, the mic in output. So some instructions there. It says it takes 5 hours to charge up the speaker from 0% to 100%. It does show that there is battery indicator lights on top of the speaker where it shows 20, 40, 60, 95%. So yeah, that's just what it comes with here. How to pair the two tailgate speakers through the ION app. And then also comes with a USB to USB-C charging cable. No brick in the box, just the cable. So let me set this aside and let's go to the speaker. So here is the ION speaker itself. Here's a little up close. There it is there. So it has obviously the speaker, the tweeter, and the subwoofer, I think. I don't know. Here's top down view. Get on. Top down view. Here is the power button, the Bluetooth scan connect button, the FM tuner, the rocker up and down, the buttons up and down for volume, and volume control is the pause play button. And then this light here, it's where this should be 5 little dots, and it was the little LED indicator showing the percentage of the speaker. Also, what I noticed, I charged this. So I'm reporting this the next day. I charged it overnight, and this power button turns red when charging, and when it's 100%, it turns off, and then these indicating lights would show all full. So as you can see, ION, the red handle on top, it's like a rubberized. The top here is plastic. The red here at the bottom is like a rubberized grip, which is nice. A little bit of camo plastic. All this is here is hard plastic. This here is metal, so it's like a metal tie down. Across the side, let's see. Across the side is all hard plastic. Sorry, I have dogs in the background, but here in the corner, it's like it's a rubberized plastic material. Everything else is hard. Here is the bottom. ION Tailgater Tough. IPA 174. Battery capacity 2600 milliamps. Okay. The other side is more of the same. Rubberized on all 4 corners here. The metal tie down, the hard plastic. Towards the back. Here's the back of the unit here. This is where all your inputs are going to be. It says ION charge, auxiliary, and microphone. It's rubberized and it looks like there's a seal, so it helps with the water resistance. So here is what it shows. As far as your inputs, you have a DC in for charging via USB Type-C. You have auxiliary in. You have your microphones. Set up your microphones. Your mic in. And then here is the USB charge output. So you can connect the phone via USB. You can use the cable that comes with USB to USB-C, or if you have a USB to Lightning bolt for or iPhone users, you can use that as well for the older iPhones. You cannot use this USB to play music. It's only for charging. It's only output. So if you have a USB that has music, you can't connect to it, it won't read it. So it won't play anything back. This is strictly just for charging. Okay. So there it is. Here is just a quick overview of the ION Tailgater Tough. Let me see if I can go ahead and play something for you guys. Okay, also I want to show you the speaker here now that it's connected. I have it connected and charging in the back. You can see the power indicator light is turned red. That means that it's charging. The LED lights here is showing the state of charge, so it's pretty much full. Here are the buttons. Again, the power button, Bluetooth, the FM tuner, the volume up and down, and the play pause button. Let me go and turn on the speaker. So press and hold the power button.
Power on.
As you can see, the lights turn on a little bit more. To turn on the Bluetooth, just press it once.
Bluetooth pairing.
Let me go to my phone. And let me try to find the Pathfinder. Refresh this. Turn on the Bluetooth. Sorry, I'm recording on my tablet, so it's a little hard to record here, but so I'm gonna scroll down and look for the Pathfinder, the device. So searching. So as you can see here, it found it. It's the Tailgater Tough. I'll go ahead and connect that. Okay, so there it is. Bluetooth pairing request. I'm gonna pair with my phone.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay. Let me go on YouTube and have this copyright free music and see how it sounds like. So let's see here. This volume is going to be around 40%. So let's see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so it does pack a pretty good sound. This speaker definitely does get loud. I haven't even put it at 100%, but it does get super loud in this room. I would think this would be perfect for small get-togethers, barbecuing, beach, camping, small tailgates. And especially if you have the pair, you can connect two of them together and it'll be perfect for that. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this ION Tailgater Tough speaker here. I like the rugged design, the red accents, the rubberized corners, the red handle, the metal tie downs. It's a nice looking rugged speaker. I currently do own, again, some different types of ION speakers. I can show you here. I own the ION Pathfinder charger, which is a speaker that I've probably had for maybe 8 years now. And then here's the Pathfinder Go. I would think it's essentially the same speaker, just different form factor. But 65 watts. But super impressed with this product of, the ION Tailgater Tough. If you see it already at Costco, I would definitely recommend, especially for the price. This speaker was on clearance for $49.97. Sometimes they did have it marked down at 69.99, $70. Originally was $99.99. So if you see one, definitely pick it up. They do have display models you can hear for yourself at the Costco's, if they're still available. But I would definitely recommend this speaker. All right, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy your day and talk to you on the next one. Bye. Okay, everyone, so here are the speakers linked together. Just wanted to show you that. The process is pretty simple. You turn both the speakers on. You turn Bluetooth on both of them. They're going to go ahead and pair each other. What you want to do is something important. Turn off the Bluetooth on your phone or tablet or whatever device you're connecting the speakers to. Just make sure that the speakers are themselves Bluetooth turned on and everything else turned off. So then that way when the Bluetooth connects, it doesn't connect to your phone, it'll connect to each other. Once that process is successful, the speaker Bluetooth would say pairing successful, and you can hear one side, the left speaker turn to the left side and the speaker sound from the right side, just to show you that it has been successful, and to let you know what speaker is sounding from what side. Let me go ahead and play some music, some copy-free music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, everyone, so I just want to show you what it sounds like when both speakers are linked together and have been linked for stereo speakers. Again, the speaker is super cool for barbecues, hangouts outside in the backyard, the beach, at the park, having picnics, tailgating. I definitely would recommend this speaker. Super simple, straightforward process, and yeah, I enjoy these speakers. I enjoy the ION brand. It's super cheap right now at Costco. The great sounding speakers, and they have great features. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.